Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Tech Access Alliance once again in your way to walk you through some of the basic tech tutorials that will guide you and that will give you the background for you to go out there to get more materials to advance yourself. Therefore, we are starting by walking you through in today's video the graphical user interface and the command line interface. Those days, we don't have any pictorial background like this, how colorful the screen is now. We don't have anything like this. The icons over here, we don't have the pictorial view you are saying. We don't have anything like that. Everything was run using the terminal. Everything was run using the terminal. When you want to create a file, when you want to log into any documents, you want to get your courses paid for, you want to download any software, you want to do hacking, you want to work on your friend's device, you want to work on your friend's machine whilst in your room. This all the space needed for that. Yes, it was just recently brought to this form, whereby if you want to create a folder, you have to pass through all this process in creating all these folders and the files. Therefore, we are moving straight to today's lesson. Yes, so as you rightly know that this interface that you are saying, this is the graphical user interface. So we will touch a little bit about the other interface that we spoke of, which is the command line interface. Therefore, to get to that terminal or that dashboard, we have a shortcut which is the CMD. You type it in your search button over here, press enter, then you are having this display, and with this you can make some few changes over here. You can equally reduce the options, your font size. If you want the write-up over here to be big, let me show you something. If you want the write-up to be big, you can change stuff over here, and you can as well get the colors change. You can see that here the colors are changing. You can see that here too the colors are changing. Yes, you can change. If you want this space to be black, you just make it white. Those that are visually impaired and they cannot see on a white background, you can bring it to any of the colors over here. So we have the terminal settings over here. So that is enough. Therefore, real quick, we would like to get the system running. Yes, in today's video, I will be taking you through all the necessary information that you need to know about the terminal. And the terminal will help you get some of the basic information. And these basic informations will also assist you. This will assist you to get most of the command prompts and command lines rightly. Therefore, without wasting much time, I would like us to move on speedily to one of the dashboard, and the dashboard is the command line interface. So as I demonstrated to you guys earlier on, what you need to know is that going to the terminal or the command line terminal is you punching your CMD, and then we can expand this. Yes, then we do whatever that we want to do over here. You can create a folder, like how you know how to create a folder, or how to save in a folder. You can do all that over here. You can also, let me show you. Let me show you. So this today's lesson, we will be looking at how to set your terminal to work. That is the basic thing that you have to know from the start before you start creating a folder. So in our subsequent meeting, we will be hammering on how to enter your dashboard, how to also create a file or folder, how to save items in the file created, how to open a folder, how to remove or delete a file, how to open a browser using the terminal, whether Google Chrome or Opera Mini. Yes, you can use the terminal for that, and how to move file to other documents. Yes, we will be looking at all that. But then I have something to show to you guys. We have all these exercises that are being run. You can see the pictures, and this some of the symbols used and some of the codes used in the terminal. Yes, these are some of the interfaces that you'll be encountering when you are using the terminal. You can also use the terminal to draw images, something like this. Yes, so it is through these processes that you'll be able to create cartoons, these cartoon videos, and yeah, it is through learning all this that you'll be able to create these cartoon videos and stuff. You do this right up. So real quick, let's move on to the lesson of the day. And the lesson of the day is to solve the problem of making your terminal to work. Let's try to look at the list of the folders, or try to get our list. So to get the list of folders that we have, you can punch this. Immediately upon this, they will tell you that this ls is not recognized as an internal or external command. This is not recognized. Yes, But then let's try to enter this also. So they are saying that the system cannot find this path specified. Yes. So what I will advise is that when you are trying to use the command prompts, you are trying to use the command prompt interface, and you keep on receiving this feedback. It's either you are not punching the right commands, because we have um, the command interface for Python, we have command interface for other, um, we have Linux also, the interface over there, and this one too. This is the window command prompt interface. So depending on the interface that you are, it goes with its codes and its symbols. So to make this to work, you can as well type in cd slash, then let's use the hash. Like this also is not working. All right, so cd, okay. So now we are currently here, and with this, let's try to, so with the cd slash alone, you have access to the system already. So let's try to type in ipconfig and see what we have. And now you can see that the system is working. It starts popping up. Let's try to type in this. You can see that you start receiving all this stuff. The system is now working effectively. Therefore, in our subsequent bulletin, we will be getting you to know more stuff in how to use this command line to do some basic things, so that when you are about opening a file, creating a folder, doing something in your computer, there is no need for you to go to my computer again. There's no need for you to go to my computer or this PC, clicking on pictures, clicking on this graphical user interface. Yours is to just go to the terminal over here to operate whatever that you are to do. Therefore, let's subscribe to this channel and also be hoping for more updates, and we will be bringing you more of the videos of some basic tricks and some basic computer user interface tools, so as to help you get an idea about how this whole computer stuff works. So with that, don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Access Alliance page. Share this video to somebody that doesn't know anything about command prompts. We have a dozen tons of videos about command prompts, the graphical user interface, and the codes, how to run these codes, and how to create stuff using the terminal. So we expecting your feedback in your comments. Let us know what next tutorials you would like us to hammer on in our subsequent bulletin. All right, bye bye for now. We are out.